Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we review the latest tech products. Today, we're taking a look at the Mobile Pixels Duex Lite, a travel-friendly solution for adding a second screen to your laptop or tablet. Let's see if this clever device lives up to its promise. The Mobile Pixels Duex Lite is a slim and lightweight device that clips onto the back of your laptop screen, providing an additional display when needed. It weighs around 600 grams and features a 12.5-inch diagonal, 1080p resolution, 60 Hz refresh rate, and 300 nits of brightness. While it's comparable to low-end laptop displays, it does have its limitations. The Duex Lite attaches to your laptop screen using sticky pads and magnets, eliminating the need for a folding case. However, it lacks touch sensitivity and requires a separate stand to prop it up independently. Its unique sliding hinges allow you to pull out the screen and position it alongside your main laptop screen, creating a dual monitor setup. Alternatively, you can use it as a phone stand next to your computer. The casing of the Duex Lite is made entirely of plastic, making it lightweight but also somewhat flimsy. While it may not be an issue if you handle it with care and keep it in a padded bag, a sturdier frame would have been preferable. On the positive side, it's available in 6 different colors, allowing you to match it with your laptop's aesthetic. In terms of connectivity, the Duex Lite features a USB-C port and a mini HDMI port on its edge. The USB-C port serves both video and power functions if your device supports it, while the mini HDMI port is available for video output if needed. However, if you use the mini HDMI port, you'll still need to connect the USB-C for power, resulting in 2 cables sticking out. Fortunately, both cables are included in the box. One notable omission from the Duex Lite is auto rotation, a feature available in higher-end models. It relies on your laptop to determine the screen orientation, which is easily adjustable in Windows or macOS. However, when connected to an iPad, rotation isn't possible. So you'll need to find creative ways to position the screen in relation to your tablet. Additionally, the Duex Lite is not touch-sensitive, requiring the use of a mouse and keyboard with your iPad. Unfortunately, the picture quality of the Duex Lite is a letdown. The display appears dim and washed out, making it more suitable for tasks like email or web browsing rather than image editing or video work. To summarize, the Mobile Pixels Duex Lite offers a convenient way to add a second screen to your laptop or tablet. Perfect for multitasking on the go. Its lightweight and slim design makes it travel-friendly, and the sliding hinges allow for flexible positioning. However, the flimsy build, lack of brightness, and poor color response are drawbacks to consider, particularly for tasks involving images or videos. That concludes our review of the Mobile Pixels Duex Lite. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more detailed product critiques. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos where we explore the latest tech trends. Remember, informed choices lead to better tech experiences.